Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 53. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at an issue with the window on a 2001 Buick Century. What's happening is sometimes when I roll the window down, it won't roll back up. Let's see if it does. Oh, now it's working. So I ran it up and down a few times off camera and it did stop working. And now it's not going up at all. It could be a problem with the flex here in the door, though I doubt it. I'm going to take this door panel off and then I can get a better look at everything that's going on, all the wiring in there. Alright, I have the door panel off here, and I was able to get it to go up and down a little bit. Now it's not moving at all, but the last time I was moving it down, it was going down really slowly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reach in here and disconnect the window motor. It's kind of hard to see. Yeah, it's hard to get a good view in there. Anyway, I'm going to disconnect the motor and I'm going to take a power probe and I'm going to see if there's power coming to the motor. Alright, here's a connector that goes to the motor. And we should have ground on both terminals. And the green light shows ground. So both of them are ground right now. If I hit the switch, I should get it to turn red. That's for the up position. I'll go to the other terminal and push the down position. And there's down. The wiring appears to be good. It doesn't mean it can carry a load, but I think what's going on here is a bad window motor. This issue doesn't vary depending on whether the door is open or closed, or if you're going over bumps or anything like that. It just quits working after you've rolled the window down. So I'm going to replace the window motor. Now on this car, it's a window motor and regulator assembly. So I'm going to remove the window regulator and motor assembly. Here's the regulator and motor assembly. There's a couple of bolts. There's like 4 bolts that hold the regulator in place, and then 3 on the motor. I'm going to try and reposition this to show all the bolt positions. And then there's also 2 that hold the window to the regulator. Now I'm going to hook up to the motor with the power probe, and since the camera is rolling, it's probably going to work just fine. Well, it works in that direction. And it works in that direction too. Now, of course, this has been banged around getting it out, and there's no load of the glass. Alright, so here's the new regulator and motor assembly. I'm just going to be transferring the bolts over from the old one, and then I'm going to put it in and see how it works. Alright, the new regulator is in. There's the old one on the floor. It's all tightened down and the window seems to be working just fine. And before I turn the camera back on, I've run this window up and down a bunch of times. Everything seems good, so I just have to put the door back together. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions signing off.